High School showed off their newly renovated welding lab with an open house. The project has taken about 4 years to complete. The facility features an expanded number of welding booths, a robotic welder, and new equipment. School officials say the facility allows students to have the resources they need to thrive in a modern welding world.
There's infinite ways that we can continue to upgrade as industry upgrades, but the bottom line is that our students benefit from being able to learn everything that they can end up taking into the workplace.
Officials say the lab supports the high school's welding program, Career Pathway, which offers Department of Labor registered apprenticeships.